Hey everybody, this is Becky and I am, sorry about that, I am going to try to do a quick flip through video of this little bitty zine journal. I'm doing this one-handed, so please bear with me. I'm trying to hold the camera still. I don't have my regular setup, so, and this is a small one, so it's going to be relatively fast. Again, this is a zine. It measures about 2.5 by 3.5, similar to an ATC card. And this zine is made out of fabric and paper and lace and other goodies. These are little file folders I made just out of extra paper. And I tucked them up in here, and I made these two stick pins that I have tucked in. This is a butterfly, a Swarovski crystal butterfly here that I used to go with the fairy theme. Sorry about that. And here is another one with the rhinestone rondelle spacer bead. Now this zine is held together just by a piece of extra muslin. It's not attached, it just goes around. And this is the first 2 pages, and as you can see, this is paper and paper cutouts. I cut out pieces of the graphics from Calico Collage's Fairy Garden, and so that's where I got the images from. And this is the next set of pages here, and again the images are from her collection. And the next set of pages, and as you can see here, there's a little button sewed down in there. This is also a pocket, and inside of it I have tucked in a little paper booklet that you can write on. It's got different papers in it that are scraps, and that is the pocket that I made into it. And I believe there's also a couple of journaling cards in a miniature form. And this is the last inside page, and this is the back page, and I put a pocket on there and stamped the muslin, and there are some cards in here as well that I made, and tags, sorry, and then there's a stamp there. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. So let's flip back over here to the front, and I'll show you that this here, this front page has pocket, and I have writing spots, journal spots tucked in there. Then when you go over to here, to this side, this page here flips open, and you can write on the cloth here, and or you can just put something there to hide your things in. And this page has a top pocket, and again I have papers tucked in to write on. And then this paper, or this page here, has a tuck spot on the side where again I have some little booklets and things to write on. And the last one has a top tuck. And in there are cards and journaling spots to write on as well. So this is it. This is my Calico Collage fairy garden image zine that I made. A zine is making a personal book, I guess, or magazines type book out of one single sheet of paper, and the way it's folded and cut and put together is what makes it up. That's about all I know about them. I know that they're popular and common in the mixed media and art world and paper crafts. I did this as a swap for a group that mixes paper and fabric in most of their projects and swaps. And so anyway, here it is. If you need to know where to get the digital kit, which is absolutely beautiful, it's from Calico Collage on Etsy. And thank you. Bye.